So as you can see, we're on the allotment. The weed mat we put down, put some posts around the outside. That green netting over there, I'm going to put that around the outside once we've done. Might do that off camera because there's a gap in the clouds now, so we should be able to do some video. So the rain we've just had should soften up the ground and make it easier for us to put some hybrid willow sticks in. As you can see, I've already put a few in. So to stagger them, they're only going to be in there this year to get rooted, and we're going to see how fast they grow. As you can see, I'm supposed to have got 100 off eBay for £20, and I put them in a shallow bucket of water for about a week or about 4 or 5 days because I couldn't plant them as soon as I got them. So yeah, what I'm going to do is just get the scissors. I'll put the camera down. There we go. So what I'm going to do is just get the scissors, and I've cut some little slits in here, just little slits, so we can get the trees out easy when they've rooted, but also so when we want to use this again, there's not going to be much light getting under there, and we can just press that in like that. So what I'm doing is I'm just staggering them, as you can see, and then getting the sticks and simply shoving them in. So let me show you the whole process. So what I'm going to do is I just get some scissors and I find where I want to put it and just stab it in a bit and just do a few cuts up the fabric. And I don't have any indication on these hybrid willow sticks I've ordered, but what I can do is look for some little buds and they're facing up, and that's, you know, if it's facing up, that should be the top. So what I'm going to do is just do that and simply shove it in about halfway like that. So yeah, I think I've got another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I've got another 94 to go. So yeah, hopefully you should do this. And the reason I'm doing this, I think I've mentioned it, but I'm going to put these, I've put these posts in, and I'm going to put some green netting. Just go to like a wood yard, just get them for all them and all these. £6 for all of those, plus another 4 I've got at home. So yeah, let's get on with this, and I'll do like a little time lapse thing. So that's how many I've done so far. Let's have a count: 4, 8, 12, 16. So I've done about 24 so far. They go in really easy with the soft ground now. It's rained, unlike when we planted those normal willows. The ground was quite hard, even though it's normally really boggy here. I think what I'm going to have to do is, because the zips broke on the other side of the polytunnel, as you can see this polytunnel's really old and it's really windy at the moment, I think I'm just going to have to move these down to here, this part here, and use this entrance and stitch the other entrance up, because these zips are alright, I think, never been used, whereas the zips on the other side are completely broke. So yeah, I think I'll have to move these down, but that should be fine. So we'll have to just make like a little path here to get into the polytunnel. So I'm gonna get on with this whilst it's still light, and yeah, I'll be right back with you. So as you can see, I've counted out exactly, we've got 100. Some rows are 4, some rows are 3, so it's 4, 3, 4, 3 like that. Because we've staggered them. We wouldn't normally plant them this close, but it's just because we're getting them rooted. I'm definitely not going to keep all of these. More than likely go to sell most of them, and then others, you know, we can plant round about. As you can see, that's how many we have. Try and walk through without rattling the mat up. All the right row up, facing up. We've just got a few here to plant now. With those ones, I want to do an experiment to see if we plant them the wrong way around and see how they will grow. So yeah, let's get them planted. I've got some holes in the mat here, so yeah, let's just literally shove them straight in. So now these extra 3 here, as you can see, just there. We go to put those ones in upside down. So yeah, let's get them put in and we'll see how they grow. So as you can see, those 3 there are in the wrong way around. If we go down and have a look at the buds, I don't know if you can see, but that bud's facing down, so they're the wrong way around, but we'll see how they go. And yeah, be sure to click that subscribe button to follow along with these trees and with many other projects, so you can see exactly what's happening with them and how fast they'll grow. We'll do another few videos dedicated to these on how fast they'll grow, but you will see them in general update videos as well. So be sure to like the video and click subscribe, and yeah, I guess I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye everybody.